Good day everyone, I'm Adrian Simple. Today I'm going to discuss the display of other navigational information. ICDIS may integrate radar and EIS information from systems compliant with IMO standards. Any additional navigational information must be clearly distinguishable and must not interfere with or degrade the integrity of the core system database information. The system should allow removal of radar, AAS, and other information with a single operator action for operational clarity. Furthermore, ICDIS and any added navigational data should utilize a common reference system. If not, the system must provide an indication to the user. Regarding radar, transfer data may include radar images or tracked targets. When radar images are overlaid, they must align in scale, projection, and orientation with the chart display. Radar images and positional data should be automatically corrected for antenna offset from the canning position to ensure accurate representation. Next is display modes and neighboring area generation. ICDIS must always support a north-up orientation, although other display orientations are allowed. When switching between orientations, changes should occur in large enough steps to prevent unstable or flickering displays. The system must support true motion mode, where the chart moves relative to the ship's movement. In this mode, the chart should automatically reset and generate new surrounding area data as the ships near the edge of the display. This distance is configurable by the mariner. It should also be possible for the user to manually shift the chart area and reposition the ship's location relative to the display edges. Importantly, if the display covers regions lacking PNC data at an appropriate navigational scale, clear indications must be shown, alerting the mariner to consult a paper chart or engage the RCDS or raster chart display system mode. Thank you.